Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity cannot be verified on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to install any app, you see an error that the app cannot be installed, its integrity could not be verified. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you can try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. So after connecting to a different network connection, go to settings. Go to general, go to VPN device management, and just try to disconnect with your VPN if you are connected. Then go back from here, go to date and time, enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to language region, select region, and select your own region in which you're living. After selecting your region, you just have to go back from here, go to software update, and try to update your software. After updating software, go to iPhone storage and just make sure that you have enough storage up to 10 to 15 GB free with your iPhone storage. Then go back and here you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. But before that, you can go to settings, go to screen time section, go to content and privacy restrictions, disable all the restrictions from here. Again, go back and here go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone. So let's reset. So I recommend you have to reset all settings, or you can also try to reset network settings. So in case of reset network setting, it will just reset your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this. After resetting your network setting, if there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or I recommend you how to try to reset all settings if there will be any issue with any of iPhone setting. It will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting all of your settings, just try to make a force restart to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And here once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed, but if it's still not fixed issue, so it might be that you're trying to install the app from any unofficial website. So I recommend you have to try to use your app store only to download or install any app. So after doing that, you'll not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to contact with Apple support team to get official help. Not to do this, you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install the app from your app store, or you can use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select more optional, select App Store, just wait for the loading and then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you'll be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.